All right, so I had a student who asked if I could do just a quick overview of where to find resources in our course for working on the homework. So I'm just going to go into one of our courses here and then show you around a little bit. I'm going to show you these things in the order that I would use them if I were a student. Just because I know what kinds of things would work for me. The first place I would go on the left-hand menu here is down to the instructor created videos. So for this example, let's suppose I'm stuck on section 4.3, for example, just because that's kind of a tricky section. If I open up the instructor created videos, I can go down here to chapter 4, section 3, and here are the videos that I have posted for it. Now these link to a playlist that has a couple other videos in it just because I've updated since I put these links out, but those will link you straight to YouTube. So that was instructor created videos. Sorry, I should probably make this a little bigger so you can see it better. Okay, instructor created videos on the side, and then just scroll down to the ones you're looking for. Also, maybe I want to have more of the experience that I've had in class. If I go down to lecture notes, again on that left-hand side, this is what I teach from in my classes. So they're not organized great. They're not perfectly typeset or anything, but here's section 4.3. You can see I've got notes to myself to finish activity. And then I have these examples to work through. And then I've got, here's what I would do. Here's how I teach addition with the steps. Here's another example, here is subtraction. And so lecture notes could be helpful. If those didn't help me, the next place I would go, I think, would be the textbook. But I'd actually go to the Multimedia Library to find that. So if I go to the Multimedia Library here, I know that I'm looking for Chapter 4, Section 3. So I pick Chapter 4. I pick Section 3. I'm going to click on Select All because I want to see all the resources available to me. So now that I've clicked Find Now, look, I've got an animation about adding and multiplying. I've got test prep videos. I'd ignore that. Here's the textbook. Here's a PowerPoint that Pearson created. And then here's a whole bunch of videos that I can watch from Pearson. So if you don't like the way that I made my videos, maybe those would be better for you. Okay, so you've got all of those resources available to you. You've got the videos I made here under Instructor Created Videos. You've got my lecture notes, which are what I teach from. Again, just one big PDF, not sorted or anything, but they're available to you. And then this multimedia library is the next place I would go. And if you don't remember what section you're on, you can even do all chapters and all sections, and then just scroll through to find it. That'll show you everything from all of the Pearson resources out there. So I'm hopeful that's helpful to you and showing you just a few places you can find help around the course, the material to look at, and that's all I've got for you. If you've got questions, feel free to shoot me an email, and keep working on your math and logic stuff.